Hi everyone! To make our oatmeal waffles we will need 1.5 cups of oatmeal. I used sprouted oatmeal. 1 cup of milk. Any kind of milk will do. Next, we add 2 large eggs. Add half a teaspoon of sea salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Next, add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. Add 5 tablespoons of melted butter. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda and 2 teaspoons of apple cider vinegar. You can also add baking powder, but do not add too much. I experimented with baking soda in different recipe proportions. You can see the outcome at the end of the video. So stay tuned. Heat the waffle maker and spray with avocado oil. Pour your batter and cook according to your waffle maker's instructions. Enjoy your waffles warm or freeze them for later. At the end of the video, you can see what happens if you add too much baking powder or too little liquid to the batter. So please keep watching. If you follow the exact recipe, your waffles will turn amazingly delicious. If you add 1/4 milk instead of 1 cup of milk, you will get a thick batter that is hard to spread. However, the outcome is still yummy. You will have plump waffles as a result. If you add 3 teaspoons of baking powder instead of baking soda and vinegar, your waffles may turn out too spongy. Subscribe and click the like button if you enjoyed the recipe. Thank you for watching.